Imagine you want to create a viral post and a viral video, but you don't have a team, a camera, or a studio. You can still create a professional viral video to produce professional content. A video that touches the hearts of millions. Today, we're going to answer this question. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the craziest experiment I've ever conducted. Today, I won't be doing anything myself. Instead, I'll be playing the role of a project manager, and I've hired a team of the most brilliant AIs to create a video from scratch with the goal of it going viral. Let me introduce you to my team. Our mastermind and strategist is Gemini, who is going to find the idea and write the video script. And our Hollywood director and animator is Runway ML, who will create all the images and videos. And the video's narrator is Google AI Studio. My only job is to manage this team and pass on the instructions. Can this AI dream team succeed? Or will it be a complete disaster? Stay with me until the end of this video, because we're going to see this amazing process step by step together. Okay, the first step is to have a meeting with the team leader, which is Gemini. We need to give it a prompt to get an output and see what it does. I asked it to give me a viral idea for a motivational video and, at the end, a prompt that I can use with Runway to produce it. Alright, as you can see, it has given us an idea. Let's review it together and copy its prompt. In the next step, we're going to go to Runway and create the video. So let's go. Okay, you'll go to the website runwayml.com, which I've linked in the description. You can get it from there. Click the Get Started button and log in with your Google account. Now, here we are first going to create an image in this section and then make the video. If it doesn't look like this for you, you can click on Tool Modes from here and then click on Image. Now, I'll paste the prompt that Gemini gave me here. Okay, it has created this image for me. I'll download the image, and now from the top, I'll click on Video and then select Asset. Now, I'll upload the image it created for me from here. After the image is created and you've uploaded it here, you now enter the prompt that Gemini gave you and click Generate. Okay, our video is ready, and you can download this video for free. When you download the video from Runway itself, the quality is 720p. In the video that I'm linking up here, I've taught you completely how to make a professional video for free. You can go there and watch that video as well. In the final step, you'll go into Google's AI Studio, click on this option, and now from here, select Single Speaker Audio. Now, here we give it the text that is supposed to be read, and now we define a tone for it here and click Generate. Okay, we'll download this and go into Premiere. Of course, before we go into Premiere and see the output, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and let's get to the final result. Okay, inside Premiere, you need to import your video, and finally, we'll add the audio to the video. So this is the final result.
Don't wait for the right moment. The right moment is now. Take action.
You be the judge. Was this AI team able to create an emotional and impactful video? And does it have the potential to go viral or not? Tell me in the comments. But the final judgment is yours. I will publish this video on my own channel, and I want to see if it goes viral or not. So, be sure to like that video and share it with your friends to see if it goes viral. In another week, I'll be back with another video to show you all the stats transparently. We'll look at the views, likes, comments, and the number of shares together to see if my AI team succeeded in this project or failed. Until another exciting video, goodbye.